Good morning, students. Hope you all have enjoyed your vacations and done well in the exams. Now back to your routine work. Today we will discuss the topic face value and place value. Topics are face value and place value. First of all, we will take face value. Now, what do you mean by face value? The face value of a digit in a numeral is the actual value of the digit at whatever place it may be. I repeat, the face value of a digit in a numeral is the actual value of the digit at whatever place it may be. Actual value means the digit itself. What does it mean? It means that in order to find out the face value, we need not to see its place. As we read any digit is its face value. So, the face value of a digit is same as the number name of the digit. The face value of a digit is same as the number name of the digit. Let's take one example. Suppose the first digit is 2. Number name for this digit is 2. So the face value will be 2. Second digit is 8. Face value will be 8. Now third digit is read as 5. So the face value will be 5. Is it clear, beta? The face value of 2 is 2. 8 is 8, 5 is 5. Similarly, in numeral 456, the face value of 6 is 6. Face value of 6 is 6. The face value of 5 is 5. And the face value of 4 is 4. Clear, beta? It means that the face value is same as we read or call any digit. Face value is same as we read or call any digit. Now second is place value. Place value is the value of the digit according to its place in the given number. Place value is the value of the digit according to its place in the given number. It means that every digit in a number has its value, and when we find its value on the basis of its place, then it is called its place value. Clear, beta? In the place value, the role of place is very important. And we get the place value of a particular digit only if we multiply the face value of the digit by its place. Clear, beta? If we want to find out the place value of any digit, we will multiply its face value by its place. Now we take an example. We write down a 4-digit number with its places. Places are ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Places are ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. And the number is 2345. Number is 2345. And what we are to do? We are to find out the place value of all the digits in this number. Now what will we do? We will multiply face value of each digit by its place. Now face value of 5 is 5, 4 is 4, 3 is 3 and 2 is 2. Now multiply 5 by 1. 4 by tens, 3 by hundreds, and 2 by thousands. Now 5 ones are 5, 4 tens are 40, 3 hundreds are 300, 2 thousands are 2000. So the place value of 5 is 5, 4 is 40, 3 is 300 and 2 is 2000. Is it clear beta? In order to find out the place value of a digit, we will multiply its face value with its place. Clear बच्चे? So this chart is also called a place value chart. This chart is also called a place value chart. Now the question is, what is the place value of all the digits in the given number? What is the place value of all the digits in the given numbers? The first number is 121. First number is 121. And what we are to do, first of all we will write down places. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones means 1, 10 means 10 and hundreds means 100. Now we will write down number 121. We have written number 121. Now multiply this 1 by ones, 2 by tens and 1 by 100. So 1 ones are 1, 2 tens are 20, 1 hundreds are 100. So place value of 1 will be 1, 2 will be 20 and 1 will be 100. Clear beta? In order to find out the place value, we will multiply its face value by its place. Now second number is 132. Again the same procedure will be followed. We will write down places, ones, tens and hundreds. Again we will write down number 132. Now multiply 2 by 1, 3 by tens and 1 by hundreds. So the place value of 2 is 2, 3 is 30 and 1 is 100. Now the next number is a 4-digit number, that is 2468. Now again write down places, ones, tens, hundred and thousands. And write down number 2468. Now in order to find out place value, multiply 8 by ones, 6 by tens, 4 by hundreds and 2 by thousands. So the place value of 8 will be 8, 6 will be 60, 4 will be 400 and 2 will be 2000. Is it clear, students? Now next question is, write the place value of the encircled digits. Now some numbers have been given to us and one of the digit is encircled. In first number 4831, 4 is encircled. Now first of all write down places. Now 4 is in thousands place. So its place value will be 4000. And answer will be the place value of 4 is 4000. Now in the second sum, 2987. Now 9 is encircled and 9 is in hundreds place. So its place value will be 9 hundreds. And answer will be the place value of 9 is 900. Now in third number, 1889, 9 is encircled which is in ones place. So its place value will be 9 ones. And answer will be the place value of 9 is 9. Clear, students? The place value of 4 is 4000 because it is in thousands place. place value of 9 is 9 hundreds. And again in third number, place value of 9 is 9 ones, because it is in ones place. Is it clear, beta? Now next is write the face value of underlined digits. Now what is a face value? Face value is the value of digits itself, as we call or read a digit. The first number is 2376. Now 3 is underlined, so the face value of 3 is 3. In second number, 7095, 0 is underlined, so face value of 0 is 0. And in third number, 8378, 8 is underlined, so the face value of 8 is 8. Is it clear, beta? Thank you. Have a nice day.